C language, we are going to learn about our topic number 100 strcat function for string manipulation. So let's move forward. Library function. So in the previous video we have talked about the strcpy function. Now in this video we are going to learn about the strcat function. So let's look at. C provides the collection of the library function for string handling, and it is a very important concept for handling the string in C language. So how we will handle the string, let's look at. So string handling can be done through the string handling function. So string handling functions are strlen function, strcpy function, strcat function, and strcmp function. As we have studied about the strlen function and strcpy function, now it's time to learn about the strcat function and how it is going to help in programming. So let's look at strcat function. strcat function. So its work is to concatenate the strings in C language. As length, strlen function was to work find the length of the strings, and strcpy function is to copy the strings, and now strcat function is to concatenate the strings. Also, it is an inbuilt function of library function for string manipulation. Now let's look at the programs of strcat function. So let's look at examples. So here is the program in which I am dealing with the concept of the strcat function. So let's look at. So this is hashtag include studio.h and this is hashtag include conio.h. So studio stands for standard input output header file and conio stands for control input output header files. After the declaration of these two header files, I am using the concept of the main function, and this main function is not going to return us anything because it is void here. So it means it is going to return us empty value. After this main function, I am opening the main function here and I am using the two array, that is str1 and str2 of 100 size, okay, and the character data type is used in the str1 and str2. After the initialization of two array, I am just using the clr function whose work is to clear the screen. After then, I am just printing a message that enter first number, first string, so that the user can enter first string, and that number I am going to store in the str1, which is an array of 100 size, which can contain only character data types with the help of a gets function. Then in the similar way, I am displaying a message again for the second string, and I am using that strings whatever the user has given, that is going to be stored in the str2. What about the f plus stdin? It is also a function which help us to flush all the things were just used as the garbage value. So it will flush all and clear all that thing that is in the garbage value. Then whatever the user has given, that is going to be stored in the str2, which is our string, which is our array. str2 is an array of character data type. So whatever the user has given in the second string, that is going to be stored in the str2 with the help of gets function. Then after that, I am using the concept of strcat. strcat is actually a function, an inbuilt function which help us to concatenate the two strings. And here you can see that I am using the two array, that is str1 and str2, and in str1 and str2 there is a string passed by the user. So whatever the string here, that is going to be concatenate with each other. This is the work of the strcat function, that its work is to concatenate the strings. Therefore, after finally I am just printing the str1, it means str2 is going to be assigned in the str1, it means it is going to concatenate the strings. So you can see the output here that user has entered first string as a Sandeep and the second string as a Singh. Therefore concatenate string is going to be Sandeep Singh. So this is the work, we can say, this is the main purpose of using the string handling function, so that we can use the string and manage the string. Okay. So this was all about the strcat function. So thanks for watching. Dhanyavad.